How to boost touch sensitivity for screen protectors on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. So you will see displays here. So click on Display. Now here, scroll down and you will see touch sensitivity is here. So if you want to boost touch sensitivity, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see your process is done. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can boost touch sensitivity for screen protectors on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.